Hey superstar, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maryam Kapama. Thank you very much for tuning in. If you're new here, can you please press the subscribe button? But if you're a returning supporter, a regular watcher, and a one subscriber, a returning supporter, thank you very much for coming back. I so much appreciate. In today's video, we are going to
achieve very white glowing teeth. We're also going to look at what we're going to need in this video. We're going to do the white toothpaste, ginger, and baking soda in order to achieve the smooth glowing teeth. So if achieving very white glowing teeth is your goal, then please keep watching.
And as well as in the toothpaste we have mint and other things in the toothpaste. And the reason why I'm showing this, I want you to have a snow white glowing teeth. So to have the glow, let's keep watching.
What I'm doing is I'm grating the ginger so I can extract ginger juice out of this ginger, because what I'll need in this remedy is the ginger juice. So this is the portion of ginger that I extracted. This one always get away with me whenever I'm shooting. So I'm going to gently extract the juice. You really don't need much, but I'm going to try to extract as much as I can. And I'm going to pour it in the mixing bowl. And that's about a half or 1 teaspoon, which is what we need. And that's that. And you can use the ginger for other remedies or for some tea or anything else. Now this is what we have, and this is all that we need. Nearly 1 teaspoon of ginger juice. And also I'm going to add a sprinkle of baking soda. This is really perfect for teeth whitening, and it's a very powerful ingredient because it consists of several elements. I'm also adding toothpaste, as I said. Just enough amount that you're going to need, and that's it. Now you're going to need a toothbrush to use this. So this is a new toothbrush for this video because I love you guys, but I have my other toothbrush that I always use when I'm doing mine. So you just mix it up to have this consistent paste-like consistent, and what you're going to do is scoop reasonable amount that you're going to take it to your mouth, and this you can store it to the refrigerator, and you can use it in the evening when you brush your teeth again, because you might want to do this twice a day, because when you begin your day and when you end your day, so your tooth whitening process you can see the effect quicker. Or you can just do it once, it's alright, but either way, keep using it. Repetition is the mother of skill.
Thank you very much superstars for watching, and until next time, I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.